How soon is a vaccine expected is our next question, Dr. Guleria. Today, the Lancet has revealed that Russia has been rather successful with their Sputnik vaccine in terms of ensuring that antibodies are developed in the human trials. They seem to be ahead of the race. The US president says before November 3rd, the US presidential elections, we could have a vaccine. How is the vaccine in India doing? How soon do you expect actually a vaccine anywhere in the world? Because World Health Organization says not before mid-2021.
So when we're looking at the vaccine race, it's a large number of companies, including 3 from India, are actually in quite an advanced stage. But having said that, I think the most important issue for any vaccine is that it has to be safe. And even if you look at the paper which is published in Lancet today, the sample size is small. They've done it in a small number of volunteers and shown that it does is safe in them. There were some minor side effects like a local reaction, some febrile reaction, and there was good immunogenic response. But this is a very small number. You need to do a trial in a larger number, which is the phase 3 trial, before you can really say that now we have a vaccine which is safe. It will be a huge disadvantage to the program if you start a vaccine early and then you land up later on with significant side effects.
Right.
So I do agree that it's going to take a few months, but there is a huge effort to sort of compress everything in term and also the manufacturing part. So hopefully, if everything goes all right by the end of the year, but trials do have ups and downs. So we'll have to see how things evolve as far as the vaccine is concerned.
You know, linked to that, you're saying at the very earliest end of the year, that of course depends on everything going right. The next question is linked to that. How long will it take for universal vaccine coverage? To that extent, do you believe that we are still in for a long grind before the vaccine is available universally? Should we now be sort of prepared for a pretty extended period for it to be available universally?
That is going to take some time. So to have a universal vaccine will take some time because the number of doses required is going to be huge in billions. And that is going to take some time for it to be manufactured. So when the vaccine first comes out, it will be in terms of prioritizing who are the people who get it first, and also to make sure that there's equity. There's no vaccine nationalism that is only for one country, but it's for the globe. And those who really need it the most in terms of the risk or in terms of higher mortality are the ones who are prioritized and get it first.